So my camera only has about 29% of its battery left, so let's see how far we can get into this. I had a few people, I would say ladies, but like, let's not assume gender here, being it 2020, asking me for my skincare routine. So yeah, I'm gonna do like the full shebang tonight. So as you can see, I've got like a little bit of makeup on, a bit of mascara, brows, concealer, job lot. So yeah, I always start with a cleansing water, like micellar water or something like that, just to start getting any of my makeup off. And then I tend to use like a mixture of like all different types of skincare. So yeah, I don't actually have like a one brand only skincare that I really like. I just tend to like pick a mix between different brands and things like that, really, to see which ones go with my skin well, which one I'm fancying. So yeah, so as you can see, my skin, well, as you will be able to see, my skin's going through it at the moment. Been around about that time really where it does start to play up a little bit in that month cycle. My under eye circles are actually quite dark, and that's because this whole isolation stuff has completely fucked up my sleeping pattern. So can you see like the difference between half and half? That's mad. So I think I've spent today making TikToks. That's been about as like productive really. TikToks, and yeah, watching multiple skincare videos from like this guy, I can't remember what he's called now, but he loves skincare. I accidentally ordered about £40 worth of The Ordinary last night, so I'm excited to try that out. And like, let's see if we can burn my face with some acids, because I'm about that. The second product that I go in with to make sure that I've got all my makeup off is my L'Oreal Paris Fine Flowers Milk. This, just give it a really good shake. Just pop a little bit on my hands. Sorry I'm childish. Give it a nice warm up, and now literally just show my face in like circular motions, just to make sure that I've got all that makeup off, because like what you actually haven't got off your skin, and then you like go and take your makeup off, and like, my god, I've got a full makeup star on my face. So I don't go over the eyes with this. My eyes probably look a little bit darker because I have tinted my brows and my lashes. So that's always fun. I've not put my headband in. Let me fix that. Did I need a headband? No, but oh my god, right. Let's get to know me a little bit better, okay? Like, I've probably got really good skin compared to some people that are like quite acne prone. So for me right now, I'm not happy with my skin. So I've had quite a few breakouts along here, which tends to be like more hormonal than anything. I've had a few on my forehead that you'll probably be able to see. I've got quite a lot of texture on my forehead at the moment, which I'm not loving. Dark circles galore, because like bitch shit been sleeping, so like that's like a close up of my skin. So yeah, so I've obviously popped that Fine Flowers milk on, so I'm gonna go and wash that off, and then we'll go in with our second cleanser, which is a water-based cleanser. So as you can see, my skin already looks nice and glowy. So I always go in, I've been using this cleanser for years and years, and like, it works for me, but it might not work for you. So I use this one, I can't really pronounce the name, but it's a nice like hydrating foaming gel wash with hyaluronic acid and marine algae extract, and it refreshes and rehydrates the skin. So I go in with a pump of that, and it does feel really nice. And this one, I kind of just like, I do the same again that I did with the cleansing milk. I get it all over, obviously wash that off, and then just pat that dry. It feels so fucking weird filming how I like wash my face. You want to go in with your toner, and I've lost my cotton pads, so that is, oh never mind, I found them. So I then go in with my L'Oreal Paris Fine Flowers toner. So this is really nice, and it's really good for sensitive skin. It's got rose and jasmine in it, so that's nice. I don't know why I've put this on 2 cotton pads, not gonna lie, because there is only one of my face. So toner, it helps balance out your skin's pH levels after you've basically just stripped your skin of like dirt, impurities, things like that, so like your skin can feel like a little bit more dry if you would. So toner kind of like rebalances all that for you. So once I've toned, even like after toning, can you see like how it's not brought all of the makeup off? I don't know if you can quite see, but there is a little bit of residue left on that. So then I go in with a facial scrub. So at the moment I'm using not the best facial exfoliator, like I know that. I'm using this one. It's really, I won't recommend this one, but it's just a scrub, and I feel like if I don't scrub, I've got like loads of dead skin on my face. It's just really scatty, and I'm like, really not about it. So
no, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Looking forward to trying the Ordinary's peel, because I've been like seeing it on TikTok and everything. So like people apparently really seem to be loving that. Hence what spiked the actual £40 haul, and I was like, whoops. I slipped with my credit card and all that. So I really don't exfoliate long with this just because it is quite gritty. And it feels like how I would imagine the Kylie Skin walnut scrub to feel, so that's always nice, fun and fresh to know. So once you've washed that off, your skin's, oh my god, your skin's looking absolutely brilliant. Wow. YouTuber who? So I then go in with my toner again, and I use a nice clean cotton pad. Yeah. So this is the part, I'm gonna take this off because it's not actually fucking doing anything. It's just making me look cute, and like I always look fucking rough as shit. So like, hi, embrace all my imperfections because my skin is not perfect. Hello to the illusion. So this tends to be the part where I go into like your masks, sheet mask, clay mask, whatever the fuck mask you like. Tonight's not really my mask night. I tend to like do like a sheet mask or something like that once a week, feeling nice and bougie. But if I do want to do a mask during the week, I always use the Mud Masky overnight mask, which I did get in a glossy box. I actually googled how much it's worth, and I was like, holy shit. But it's so good. So like when I run out of it, I'm gonna have to buy it, and it's like 35 quid. And like to some people that's not a lot, but to me it is, because I'm like, honey, we could buy more for that than £35. So I usually use a booster in the morning mixed with my L'Oreal Triple Active Normal to Combination Skin Day Cream. So this is like my little staples during the day. Tonight, because I'm feeling a little bit shit, I probably am gonna put my winter Leave Me mask on, which is really good for overnight. But to be fair, with nighttime skincare routine, I don't use this every night because I find that it's too much, and I've used way too much there, honey. Like, need to calm down. This shit is expensive. So I just use like a normal moisturiser that I usually use. Oh my god, this is so nice. It's so nice and luxurious, and it probably should be for the price tag, but like, wow, there's so many unflattering angles. Damn. Why do boys actually message me? Like, how is this possible? It's like, I don't get it. So just massage all that up and let you double chin. Wow, so fit. Somebody wife me up, please. Before I die of loneliness with my 2 dogs and my cat. So once that's all massaged in, yeah, loving life really. That tends to be my skincare. But for during the day, if I'm feeling like that extra bit dry, I use this. So this Jules is like a really good primer. It's like 6 quid, 7 quid from Savers. It's like my holy grail. Like these two together, oh, they are my hydration babies. So that's always fun. For any breakouts, I use these. I use the Freedom Spot Gel treatment, which right now I douse my face in. So that's what we're probably going to do. So let's just pop a little bit on my finger. So we'll pop that one on that forehead one. She's called Brittany. This one will be called Sonia. We are not going to offend anybody who may be called Brittany or Sonia or any of these names that I'm about to say. We'll call this one Lakeisha. This one Holly. Not all saying People, oh, that's Tasha. There we go, we'll pop some much in as well. Oh, and that one in the middle. That stings. That stings. So that tends to be my whole like beauty regime at night. My laptop, wow, my lip gloss is like all the way over there, and like I can't be arsed getting it because that's like too much for me right now. So yeah, that tends to be like my all, like everything skincare that I currently use. I will be posting a new update soon on my ordinary skincare when that comes through from Cult Beauty, but obviously we've got shit that's going on right now in the world. We don't know when that shall be, so new video coming soon on my like updated skincare routine. But yeah, don't believe everything you see on Instagram. Spots are like a thing, so like, so I also got up off my arse as well and put on a lip mask. So right now they feel very moisturised, and then I always pop this over the top as well. This really helps like when I put lipsticks on and like matte lipsticks, because if it's not a gloss it's a matte bitch, and I'm murder for biting the lips, and plus when you have the filler it makes them really nice and smooth. And I've got a Vaseline moustache, which is always sexy, am I right ladies, am I right? So yeah, thanks for watching my video. A few of you did request this, so I hope that I helped in some sort of way. There will be a new one up probably next few weeks, updating it with The Ordinary, testing things out. I'll probably be doing like another, like, you know, the BH solution that's been going absolutely batshit crazy, that's like a vampire facial type peel thingy. I'm going to give that a do, and we'll see if we're getting allergic reactions on camera. But until then, thank you very much for watching, and glorifying my lovely textured skin and nice few breakouts. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye bitch.